Happy Thanksgiving. Of course, when you see this video, it'll be after Thanksgiving. That's my mom. And y'all know my daughter. So we're in here just getting ready. Got my broccoli casserole ready to go in the oven. And we're going to deep fry turkey today. So I'll bring you back when that gets here. We're going to have about 25, 30 people here. So I'll keep bringing you back. Alright, we're getting ready to lower the turkey. The oil's ready. And it's not a whole turkey, it's just the turkey breast. Alright, here it goes.
Oh yeah, we can walk right in there.
Alrighty, it's cooking.
That's it shredded up.
And there's our fried
making a whole
turkey.
bunch of it, then I just thought
Turned out really good.
There's just some that's a little bit more crunchy.
And everybody's eating tapped with buffalo chicken dip.
Amazing.
The whole them
Taylor's
over.
going, but she's going to a friend's house.
Cranberry relish.
I don't know who she's going with.
Rolls, gravy, collards, homemade mac and cheese, corn, broccoli casserole, our cornbread dressing, and we got cream potatoes on the table, and we got more food coming.
Could have had 2 more days.
Yeah, we could have.
This is amazing.
You slide that trash.
And we're waiting on everybody else to get here. There's more food coming. I'm talking to my camera. We're expecting another baby.
I bet you it's Kristen's daughter.
Ube smile. Ube smile. Yes, Ube smile. Yes, baby. You want it? You want the camera?
Brought another bag. They got it.
And then we setting up a table out here too. Look at all the cars.
Oh.
Alright, well, Thanksgiving has came and went. Everything's pretty much ate. And everyone's leaving. So we had... I know I'm filming him laughing. And we had a wonderful time.
at
Cricket's
Place.
Say it again.
A wonderful time at Cricket's Place.
And on that
I've
note,
had it ever since.
I'll say goodbye, and I hope you all had a very happy Thanksgiving. Bye, y'all.
We buying Debbie.
My son and his friend took me to Walmart for Black Friday shopping. I just thought I'd come on real quick and show you what I got. Last year they had these, but I didn't get it. So this year I made sure I was one of the first in line to get one. And these Pyrex glass bowls with the lids was a very good price. And this Santa Claus the Movie, the 25-year anniversary classic, and season 10 of The Big Bang Theory for $10. And a pack of washcloths for like $160, and a couple of towels for $160, and a pair of pajamas for my daughter for one of her Christmas gifts. And he got him a big old drone, my son did. So he's working on it. We're tired. I'm gonna lay down on the couch and find some candy making videos. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I hope y'all all had a great time. Bye.